as the Jewellery Design and Management International School celebrates its 15th anniversary. Join us as we recollect the growth, achievements, and successes of the past 15 years, and look forward as JDMIS sets the standard for creative excellence in the jewelry field.
JDMIS Facilities keep expanding from one classroom in 2007 to 5,300 square feet of specialized facilities in 2022.
JDMIS Training has expanded. Industry and artisanal specializations now include over 100 professional training options.
JDMIS faculty help you to succeed. Our jewelry experts share their knowledge with you.
Singapore supports the jewelry industry. Singaporeans now receive government support for jewelry training at JDMIS.
JDMIS is state-of-the-art, using the latest in training and jewelry tools to help you succeed.
Go beyond the classroom. Join like-minded artists to visit the source of popular gems.
JDMIS brings the world to you with $400,000 worth of permanent jewelry exhibits.
JDMIS connects you to the industry, with professionals and newcomers able to network at our Meet the Industry sessions.
Over 8,000 participants, like you, have benefited from JDMIS programs.
Graduates from 71 countries form a global professional network.
The world's top jewelry brands look to JDMIS for specialized jewelry training.
JDMIS's international presence has grown through trade shows and international jewelry competitions.
You have won awards. Dozens participate locally and internationally each year.
The Creative Jewelry Studio was established to incubate aspiring entrepreneurs to kickstart their jewelry businesses.
JDMIS helped over 170 new businesses to register, created by independent artists and designers like you.
More than 300 new careers have been forged by creative individuals switching to the jewelry field.
JDMIS has established courses and curricula, industry relevant, accessible, creative, and fun.
JDMIS diplomas and advanced diplomas pave the way for your degree in jewelry or fashion.
JDMIS has new online and blended curricula, new modes of teaching for increased efficiency and accessibility.
Stay tuned for our new campus in 2023 as JDMIS is relocating to a new location with many exciting new opportunities.
Looking ahead, we thank you for your support in establishing JDMIS as the premier name in jewelry education in Asia, and we look forward to contributing to your successes in the coming years.